Humans write code in languages like C, but processors only understand machine code, raw binary instructions. Compilation bridges this gap, translating your source file into something the hardware can actually execute. The workflow starts with a .c file, plain text containing C syntax, function calls, and preprocessor directives. This source code is human readable. Running gcc hello.c hello triggers a 4-stage pipeline. Next, the compiler translates that pure C into assembly language. The assembler then converts those mnemonics into raw binary opcodes, producing an object file, machine code the CPU can understand but not yet a complete runnable program. Finally, the linker merges the object file with external libraries, like the C standard library providing printf. Source code is text you can read and edit. A binary is opaque machine instructions, just ones and zeros the processor executes directly. You cannot meaningfully read a binary, and a CPU cannot run source code. Compilation is the mandatory translation between them. To run your program, execute /hello. The shell loads the binary into memory, and the CPU executes the machine instructions directly. To begin our C programming journey, we first need to ensure the GNU compiler collection is installed. We use the apt package manager with sudo privileges to fetch and install the GCC package. Now that the installation is complete, let's verify that everything is working correctly. By running the gcc version command, we can confirm that the compiler is properly installed and ready for use. Next, we will create a simple C program. We use the echo command to write our source code directly into a file named hello.c. This small program includes the standard input-output library and defines a main function that prints our classic greeting to the console. Before we compile, it is good practice to verify the content of the code we just wrote. Now we are ready to build our program. We invoke the GCC compiler, passing our source file hello.c, and using the -o flag translates our human-readable C code into an executable binary file, which the operating system can then run directly from the command line. Finally, let's execute our program. By typing ./hello, we tell the terminal to run the binary message to the screen.